Hey guys, welcome to Drummers Link Music School here in Northampton. At Drummers Link, we know that music has the power to change lives and bring people together. That's why we created our group drumming program to connect individuals like you through awesome learning experiences. Our goal is simple, to ignite that spark of passion and confidence within each and every one of our students, regardless of their age or skill level. That's why we provide outstanding music lessons in a class format that brings out the best in everyone. To keep our students engaged throughout the year, we run in-house workshops, artist study weeks, school social events, masterclasses, and more. We offer classes for kids as young as 6, all the way up to teens and adults. Our group classes, typically with 3 to 5 students, provide a supportive environment where you can thrive and discover a sense of belonging. Learning an instrument can be tough, especially in the beginning, but with our expert coaches and encouraging peers, we've created a path for you to succeed, helping you navigate the challenges and reach your goals faster whilst having a ton of fun. We've created a curriculum that can be learned at a pace that suits you, while also providing support through our online video library for home practice, guaranteeing steady progress towards your goals each week. So if you're ready to embark on a musical journey like no other, come join us at Drummers Link Music School. Visit our website or drop us an email today to find out how you can become part of our drumming family.